The squirrel's behind me. Oh jeez, they're fucking going at it again.
Jesus Christ. I feel like those birds are just picking on this squirrel. Oh.
How do you fucking zoom in? Fuck.
Make a run for it, buddy.
Come on, you can do this, dude.
We're on your team.
Come on. Isn't it weird how in Calgary they have the black squirrels and we have the brown squirrels? It's like so weird that you think we'd have like two crazy different species of squirrels like within.
Somebody like explained that to me before, but I don't really understand it.
Okay,
It's something like the black squirrels just like take over and stuff. But like it eventually killed them all so they wouldn't.
that's good. Looks like the robin is doing our work on the brown squirrels. Maybe it's time for the tougher black squirrels to step in. Okay, where'd it go? Whoa! Okay.
They just show up with like basketball jerseys and like TKs.
Sorry, we're filming. There was robins fighting a squirrel.
They don't care.
Okay, good. Maybe it's done. Nature's done its work.